Hello guys, you have come across these AI talking avatars as I'm going to show you, like these ones. So these are very popular these days, and I'm going to show you how to make these ones. And if you're even not ready to, if you don't have time to make these ones, I can show you how to. I have made 5 pre-made ones for you, so you can just download them and use them like according to your like requirements. Okay, so I'm going to provide you 5 free ones in this video. Plus but please make sure to check out this video till the end, so that you can learn it yourself. Also, if you want something custom made, you can contact me at my email. I will provide that in the description of this video. Okay, so how to make these AI talking avatars? First of all, like head over to lexica.art.com. Okay, so and for we are searching for like a boy, like anime kid or anime boy. So let me just type in anime boy here. Okay, so all these pictures come up. Whichever one you like, you can just choose, and suppose this is the one you're liking. Okay, choose whichever one you want. Okay, so I've already chosen a few ones before. This looks good, this one. So I've chosen a few ones like this one. This is like sick. This one looks good. This is also like dope. Okay, so whichever one you want. I like this one is also like cool. This one is what I've used in one of my pre-made avatars. So whichever one you want, just click on it, and just right click on it and save image as, and download it to your PC. Okay, once you are done with this, you need to create a background, studio background, like YouTube studio background. So let me just head over here and click on, so let me just type here YouTube studio. Okay, you will get a few backgrounds that look amazing. Let me just type here anime. Okay, so you might get a background which is cool, but this one already has a person in it. We are just looking for a background like this one might do. So I've also used Midjourney for this, where I have downloaded some dope, created some amazing backgrounds. As you can see in this one, this is loading. Like this one, there was a dragon in this one. I was trying something new. Okay, so there are different ones like this character I created using Midjourney. So once you have created that, like then you need to head over to remove background.bg. Okay, remove.bg. Okay, you can sign up for free. It lets you, gives you premium access. Once you click on upload image, choose your image whichever you want to, like this one. Okay, click on open. So whichever image you had, it will just remove the background from that image. So like this boy was there, it removed the background from behind him. Which one was it? Like this one, it removed all this background from it. Now you can just download this photo. Once you have downloaded the photo, you have a YouTube studio background from maybe Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or this one website lexica.art. Choose whichever one you want. Now we need to head over to Photoshop. So let me just open Photoshop here and click on file, new, 1280 by 720 pixels. Okay, click OK. So this is the frame which you will get. Now click on file, open. I'm looking for my documents, maybe AF. So all of this we have. Okay, just let me just import the background here, and maybe get a character. Okay, so we got a few things here. Let me just click on open. All these are opening up. Okay, so, okay, so we have this background. Let me just click on Control A, Control C, and let me just bring it to untitled one which we have. I have created this background. Okay, now let me just choose a character, whichever one you want. You can choose this one, but this has got maybe this, not this one, maybe a different one like this one. Okay, let me click Control A, Control C, head back over here and place a character here. Okay, now we need a desk. So let me see if we have a desk here. A monitor, micro PNG, maybe we have a, just let me check. Open, we have a desk here. Click open, Control A, Control C. Just come here and Control V. So all you need to do is just resize some of them. So obviously if you don't have time for this, it's okay. I have provided you with free custom, already I have provided you with a free somewhat pre-made talking avatars, which I will provide you in the end of this video, and you can just resize this according to your perspective. Okay, whatever you choose, prefer. So maybe this is the right. Okay, just click on. So this is what we have. Now let me just add a monitor here, maybe a lamp. We can add a lamp, maybe a monitor. Just let me add a monitor. So control A, control C. Come here and just, okay, just add a monitor as per your preference. Okay, so you can add a few more things like lamp here, a few more things for the purpose keeping this simple and just keeping it here. Now we need to remove this mouth here. Okay, so let me just select that layer, click on the brush, maybe first pick this color up, choose brush, and maybe drop its size, okay, I have, like, removed its face, mouth. Okay, because we'll place our own mouth over this, so it looks fine. Now let me just click on file, save as, and let me just take an AI, new. Okay, and let me just save it as JPG. Okay, okay, this is done. Now let me open CapCut. Here you have CapCut here. Now let me just create a new project. Okay, click on import. Let me add over to documents. Okay, which one was it? Yeah, this one. Click on, oh, so it is here. Okay, we have this thing. Now we need to import the mouth, green screen of mouth. So this is mouth animation green screen. Let me click on open. So this is what we have. I have another one, I guess. So this one's also fine. So let me just click on it and just import it here. So once you have this, you have that. Make sure to keep this mouth layer above your original layer. Okay, now click on cutout, click on chroma key, select the dropper, click on the area which you want to be removed, and increase the strength to 100. So we have removed that, but this is how it looks. Now we need to place it over where a mouth should be of a character. Okay, where a character's mouth should be. So I'm placing it over here, and let me just resize it a bit. Okay, scale, let me just open it, lower it much. Okay, I have it here. Okay, so let me just see how it looks when I play it. Just let me kill the sound. Okay, let's try again. Mouth may be a little bit big, so let me just reduce it a little bit more. uh, and just size it according to your preference. Okay, let me just see how it looks now. Maybe mouth is a little bit, let me just shift it a little bit here. Okay, I'm pressing this 40. At 40 it looks fine, I guess. Let me just see. Okay, okay. After this the image is not extended, so let me extend the image. So we have, okay, something along this line. Let me just split the track. Okay, so we have this is how it looks. Now obviously we can add more effects to this. So you can add effects using, let's say, like, just let me start my VPN. Okay, since I'm in India, CapCut doesn't really work properly here. So let me just connect to United States for once. So it is connecting. So it's connected. Okay, so just let me head over to effects. Now there are a lot of effects in CapCut that you can use. Okay, it's loading. So maybe if I say want, let me just see which one is the best one. Let me head over to the scanning one. So let me just add in this effect. Okay, let's see, and just add maybe any fire effect also. This looks dope. So let me just see how it looks. Okay, it looks like this. Obviously there are a lot of other effects that you can add. Fire effects, Crazy effects, okay, all together. Whichever floats your boat, whichever effect you like, you can just add it up. And okay, if I have it here like this, digital scanning, if I want to increase it a little here and choose any other effect also. So let me just show you how it looks. So it's looking like this. Now obviously this is one of avatar, okay. I have already created a few more, as I showed you before in this video. Now to get these for free, all you need to do is there's a link in the description of this video. You can go up there and just fill in your details like this 5 free AI talking about, fill your name, email, and once you click submit, you'll be directed to a page which looks like this, okay. That page, you'll be redirected to that page where you can download all these pre-made avatars. Also you'll get an email link also with the download link, okay, email with the download link, okay. And if you are looking for a custom build avatar, you can contact me on an email. I will mention that email in the description of this video. For $30 I can create a custom made avatar for you, okay. Thank you once again. This is Agarwal Bros, and please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thank you.